Namaste and welcome to your 15-minute Loosen Your Legs flow, where we'll be focusing on your hamstrings, knees, and hips. Gently close your eyes, hands in prayer position, just taking a moment to center yourself. Ground yourself. Bow your head down, utmost enthusiasm for your practice today. And gently lift your hands up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale straight back, push your arms back. Inhale up, lift. Exhale to bend halfway through. Inhale up 3. Exhale. You should be feeling those hamstrings and the back of the knees. Keep going. A beautiful straight back. Don't rush it. Nice and controlled movements. Beautiful. Urdhva Hastasana. Variation Uttanasana. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Up. Bend. And very gently gliding into a variation of Uttanasana, interlocking your hands behind your back. Spread your feet apart if you need to. Feet are parallel to each other. And feel a beautiful stretch here for the back of your knees, hamstrings, and shoulders. It's like I'm giving you a new pair of legs today. And very gently touching your right hand to your left ankle and twist to your left side. Breathe. Focus on your breath. Breath is the heart of yoga. Lovely. And very gently make your way to the other side. Left hand on the right ankle and twist. Feel the stretch. Use your breath to create space within your body. And back to center as you cup your fingers on Mother Earth and just lift one heel at a time, loosening up a little bit more. Try to make sure that your back is nice and straight, like a little baby pedal. Breathe. Feel the stretch. The extension in the back of your legs. Beautiful. And very gently, hands on your waist. Inhale, lift yourself up. And let's just remove any tension by twisting from side to side, releasing any pressure in the spine. Exhale back, inhale to center. And relax for some hip rotations. Exhale back, inhale to the front. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Switch the rotation for 5, 4. Open up those hips. 3, 2, and 1. Lovely. Don't forget to smile. Right foot to the front, left leg back. Inhale, lift your hands up, and exhale, extend, extend. Don't rush down. Straighten your back, take the time, and then land graciously by cupping your fingers once again and breathe. You should really be feeling the back of the knees, the hamstrings, a beautiful stretch here. Use your breath, your exhalations to create more space. Inhale, lift up, nice and steady. Exhale, relax. Let's switch sides. Left leg to the front this time. Prepare yourself. Inhale to lift. And exhale, don't rush. Nice and straight back. Take your time. And then once you're ready, cup your fingers and breathe. Notice how one side might be a little bit more stiff than the other. Try to breathe more deeply. Give it more breath. Inhale to lift. And exhale, relax the hands. Samasthiti. Take a moment for leg raises. Just shaking off here, creating a little bit more space. Engage the core. Lovely. Keep breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. And relax. Beautiful. Let's glide into our Trikonasana. Right foot to the side. Lovely. Extend, extend. Triangle pose. Feel the opening. As though there's a wall behind your back and you're really beautifully opening up your chest here. Breathe. Feel the opening, the stretch. And very gently place both fingers. Cup your fingers once again. Pyramid pose, trying to touch your forehead to your knee. A deeper, intense stretch. Lovely. Inhale up and exhale, relax. Let's do the same sequence on the other side. Triangle pose. Get ready. Extend, extend. And once you're ready, land graciously. Triangle. Breathe. Wall behind your back. Make sure that you're beautifully positioned. Feel that stretch. Gliding into your pyramid. Both fingers on Mother Earth. Trying to touch your forehead to your knee. Feel a very intense stretch here for the back of your knees. Inhale, lift. And exhale, relax. Samasthiti, back to center. Lovely. Prepare yourself. Just allowing yourself to cross your right leg towards the left side. Hands on your waist. Forward folds. A deeper stretch for your hamstrings here. Really giving you that new pair of legs today. Feel the stretch. Feel the opening. Beautiful. And keep breathing. Breath is key. Inhale to lift. And exhale, shake it off. Just loosen up, shake it off, let it go. Lovely. Once you're comfortable, let's switch sides as you inhale where you are and exhale, forward folds. Nice and steady. Breathe here. Use your breath to create space. To let go of any energy that's not required. And inhale, lift back up. Exhale, relax, shake it off. Fantastic. Spreading both your feet apart, getting ready for our Prasarita Padottanasana sequence, hands on the waist, and exhale, forward folds. Both palms on Mother Earth, in line with your feet. Feel that beautiful stretch for your hamstrings, back of the knees, hips, lower back. We're activating everything here. A beautiful stretch. Wonderful. Breathe. Use your breath here. And very gently, switching over to your left side and push that leg back, gliding into your Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog pose, further opening up your hamstrings and the legs, melting that chest into Mother Earth. Breathe. And exhale. Knees to Mother Earth. Lift yourself up. And glide your right leg to the front into your half runner split. Walk your hands wherever you can reach them, towards your ankles preferably, and make sure that the foot is nicely flexed towards you. You don't want any sleeping foot, a nice active foot. And feel the stretch. Breathe. And then shift your body weight to the front into Anjaneyasana variation. Feel that stretch on your hip region. Breathe. A beautiful combination here. And exhale, relax. And very gently, let's switch sides. Left leg to the front, half runner split. Make sure to really flex that left foot towards you. That is key to really feel that stretch in the right way. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Create space. And exhale into Anjaneyasana variation. Shifting your body weight to the front, knee into a beautiful 90-degree. A lovely stretch for your hips here. And exhale, back to center. Open up your knees as wide as you possibly can. Let's just massage our lower back, extending our arms away from us, melting that forehead onto Mother Earth, and taking a moment to relax. Feel your energies. Feel the opening, calming your mind. Relax. Inhale to lift and exhale, allowing yourself to glide into Janu Shirshasana. Right knee in, left leg out. Preparing yourself, inhale, lift, and exhale, forward fold. If you need to use a scarf, a yoga belt, you're welcome to do so. Try to really touch your foot, if you're able to, and your forehead to the knee as a final option, but listen to your own body. Inhale, lift, and exhale to twist, a beautiful counter pose. Just massaging the spine, creating space in the lower back. Lovely. And very gently, let's switch sides. Right leg extended, left leg in. Take a moment, inhale, lift, and exhale, forward folds, wherever you can reach, whether you'd like to go for the scarf, belt, full variation, completely up to you. Listen to your body and breathe. Inhale, lift. And exhale to twist, counter pose, releasing any tension. Beautiful. Exhale, back. Lovely. Now let's try something beautiful here, holding both your big toes, and extend that right leg, then the left. Little bit. Nice and steady. Right leg becomes straight. And then the left, Paschimottanasana variation. Take a moment. You can either stay here, or if you'd like, you can also place your hands just like this by the soles of your feet. And you can even walk your knees. You can also drop down fully. I leave it to you, whatever you feel comfortable. Inhale to lift, and exhale, relax. Back to center. Very gently, let's make our way into a supine position. Keeping your left knee bent and right leg is straight. Variation Supta Balangushtasana. Fantastic for the lower back and the hamstrings. And just breathe. Make sure that the bottom leg is bent. And then very gently, supine pigeon, gliding that right ankle on your left thigh, and feel a lovely stretch here for your glutes. Breathe. Feel that stretch. And gently let's switch sides. So keeping the right knee bent, left straightens. If you need to use a belt, you're welcome to. Otherwise, you can hold your big toe. Feel the stretch. And then making your way into your supine pigeon. Left ankle on the right thigh. And breathe. A lovely stretch for your glutes. Use your breath to create more space. Wonderful. Now let's try something a little bit more fun. Holding both your big toes and straighten those legs. If this is uncomfortable, you're welcome to use a belt, of course. Listen to your body. Feel the stretch. Breathe. And release. Pavanmuktasana with baby circles. Just make baby circles with your knees to release any tension in the spine. Beautiful. Just giving yourself a beautiful massage after all of these deep stretches. Both soles of the feet on Mother Earth and drop both the knees from side to side, further releasing any tension in your lower back. Create space in the hip region. Breathe and relax. Gliding into Supta Baddha Konasana, supine butterfly pose. Allowing yourself a few moments of silence. Gravity doing its own work. Feeling this beautiful opening for your hips. And just relax. Gliding your knees back together and extending your legs into your final posture, Shavasana. And take this moment to connect to your own breath, to your heart. Spend as long as you need to in this posture, absorbing the beautiful benefits of your practice. And I'll see you in the next one. Namaste, yogis.